Welcome back to the Video Knife Animal channel, where we take you on a journey to explore the wild and wonderful world of animals. Today, we're bringing you to the breathtaking Boulders Beach in South Africa. Here is where you'll get a special and up-close look at one of the most beloved animals on the planet: penguins. The penguins you'll see here are African penguins, also known as jackass penguins, which is due to their donkey-like braying calls. These penguins are a sight to behold with their black and white plumage and distinctive pink gland above their eyes, which helps them to regulate their body temperature. Boulders Beach is home to a large colony of African penguins, and it's the perfect place to see them in their natural habitat. Here, there is a vast boardwalk. And as you walk along the area, you'll see the penguins waddling around, preening their feathers, or even taking regenerating naps in the sun. But don't be fooled by their relaxed demeanors. Penguins like to move around and are very active. They are also strong swimmers and can be seen diving into the nearby waters to catch fish and other marine life. But the beach is not the only place where you can see these amazing birds. Just a short drive from Boulders Beach, you'll find the Ocean Aquarium, where African penguins can be observed and studied in a controlled environment. Here, visitors can learn a lot more about these fascinating creatures. The Two Oceans Aquarium happens to be one of the premier marine life centers in the world, and it's home to a wide variety of marine life. And one of the highlights of the Two Oceans Aquarium is the African penguin exhibit, where you can see these adorable birds up close, and learn more about their behaviors. You can also learn about their diet. By the way, penguins are carnivorous birds, and their diet mainly consists of fish, squid, and krill. The diet of a penguin can vary depending on the species and their location. It's important to note that penguins are adapted to the environment where they live, and their diet is based on the availability of food resources in that region. Some penguins are able to swim and dive to deeper waters to find food, while others rely on the food resources in their nearby coastal area. And penguins are birds that breed and raise their young in colonies. The breeding process and birthing of penguins can vary depending on the species. African penguins breed year-round, with the majority of breeding taking place during the spring and summer. The females lay 2 eggs, which are incubated by both parents for about 40 days. Once the chicks hatch, both parents take turns caring for them and feeding them. It's important to note that the breeding and birthing process of penguins can also be affected by the availability of food, the size of the colony, and the presence of predators. And there are also several conservation efforts in place to protect penguins, particularly African penguins. They are considered an endangered species due to habitat loss, human disturbance, and oil spills, which is why the staff at the Sea Aquarium is dedicated to educating visitors about the importance of conserving all marine life and protecting these wonderful birds. Now, the African penguin exhibit at the Two Oceans Aquarium is designed to replicate the bird's natural habitat as closely as possible. So it also includes a large pool for swimming and diving, which is a replica of their natural burrow. And there is even a special area where visitors can get an up-close look at the penguins. The staff at the Two Oceans Aquarium spend countless hours educating visitors about how we can all play a role in protecting these delightful birds. Along with the African penguins, the aquarium is home to a wide variety of fish, sharks, rays, and other marine life, each one more fascinating than the next. Whether you're a nature lover, a photographer, or just looking for a fun day out, the Two Oceans Aquarium is sure to delight and inspire you. Of course, there are several places around the world where penguins can be seen in nature. Some of the most popular locations include Antarctica. The frozen continent of Antarctica is home to several species of penguins, including emperor penguins, Adelie penguins, and chinstrap penguins. These penguins live and breed in the harsh polar conditions, and are well adapted to survive in extreme cold. And there are many other places around the world where these birds can be found, such as the Galapagos Islands in Ecuador, the Falkland Islands in the South Atlantic, and the New Zealand coast is home to the little penguin, also known as the little blue penguin, which is the smallest penguin species in the world. Other places include the coasts of Peru, Chile, and Australia. So go out and visit these fascinating creatures in nature or at an aquarium, and learn more about their unique way of life. Keep in mind that the best time to see penguins varies depending on the species and location. But if you are lucky enough to travel to South Africa, then Boulders Beach and the Two Oceans Aquarium are open year-round for your enjoyment, and there's always something new to discover. By now, I know you have to be finding that penguins, and their uncanny ways, are the type of creature that can positively delight and inspire you. Please take the time to subscribe to our animal channel and show your support. You watching our videos helps us to grow. Like, comment and share this video, and come back to the Video Knife Animal channel for more exciting animal adventures. We look forward to seeing you next time.